that biodiversity is a very important topic. It's relevant for our crops, for our well-being, and for a good nature. And what we're currently seeing is that biodiversity research requires all kinds of data about our environment, about how we live in the environment, and also on all the different kinds of species that are in nature. But these species are affected by climate, by the weather, by how we intervene in nature. And so we need to somehow bridge the gap between how we understand the ecosystems of animals and how we affect the planet. And if we connect to all the other initiatives that are currently ongoing in the EU, for example, the climate digital twin from Destination Earth, how can we reuse what's there in terms of input for the biodiversity data so that we can predict the next 20 years, see how climate will change, and can we then establish, let's say, ground rules for how ecosystems of animals can change? And what can we do to mitigate, the effects of climate change for species? And I think this is what we need, the combination of biodiversity digital twins and other twins like climate or ocean or weather or hazards. So that's, I think, how things relate. In Biodiversity Digital Twin project, we already are collaborating with the partners like ECMWF, who are coordinating the Destination Earth program for climate. And so they help us interface the different digital twins together so that they become interoperable, so that they can actually connect, exchange data, exchange knowledge, and so we can achieve our goals.